Alright, welcome to our life in the Philippines and part 2 of the first park homes in Magalang development. So today we're going to take a little walk around there. Yesterday we showed one double unit, and today we're going to show you a couple of 3 more units, and we're going to go from there. Hope you enjoy it. If you're in the market for real estate, you should pay attention. Okay. All right. Calista Mid. And
The floor area is much bigger than
all right. So the floor area is extended out. Yeah. Okay. So for those who want, they could make this to a little carport. Because I was just going to ask that, is parking, is it expected to be?
Yes, sir. That's like this one.
So the parking area be right here?
Yes, sir.
Inside.
All units have this lap, and they already created and with fence.
Okay.
Really decorate that.
All right. So they make the fence. They do pretty much everything. The gate, everything.
Just come here to bring your furniture.
Right. And
Papers, all in.
you pay it cash and get the key, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And this price of this unit?
This one, sir, is mid is 1.7, but this one, if you build the unit, you can hire another contractor to build this for you.
Okay, so you have to have
Yeah,
the original contractor won't build this.
Yeah, no, they don't have, they will not build this one.
Okay.
But
So-
if you build the unit, you can build this with another contractor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I like this because that gives more floor
Yes, sir.
space inside.
But these have an extra room.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's nice. All right, let's go in and have a look.
And this is the
All right, so we look into it from above a little bit. Yeah, it's nicely decorated. It's a little different.
it's different interior.
Yeah, different interior,
Yeah,
but it's
very nice, sir. The cabinet.
right.
If you
Is that standard?
no, sir, this is not the standard.
Right. So
If you want to put this one, you can do this like this one.
right. Yeah. No, it's nice. It's nice.
This is just an idea to have for the client
Yeah.
to have vision.
Get some vision on what actually is taking place. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's pretty cool. And then the bathrooms are pretty much the same
Yes, sir. And this is the
size,
bathroom,
and then the laundry room back here. Put a little roof over it so you can have protection. You see something nice in the mirror, huh? All right.
let's go upstairs.
Route 66. Do you know what Route 66 is?
No, sir. Where, sir?
In the United States?
No, sir, not.
That's a road, I think it goes from Chicago and it goes all the way through United States.
Oh, it's very
So that's the name of it.
Route
Yeah.
66.
A lot
How
of-
many miles, sir?
Yeah, I don't know.
Not kilometers.
1,500, 2,000
Not
miles.
kilometers and miles, sir.
It's miles, but
Miles.
I don't know exactly. But Google it, you'll find Route 66. A lot of bikers, a lot of motorbikers, Harley Davidson bikers and stuff uses that Route 66 crossing the
So
country.
I hope someday I can go to United States.
Yeah. Well, they're having a little bit of a issue right now with their elections.
Yes, sir. The relations between Biden and the Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is the.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. So then we see this is the actual extension right here,
Yes, sir.
and that was made into the master bedroom. So it looks pretty nice. Wall units, no central heat and air. How well is the insulation up? You know?
I don't know, sir, the installation, but I think it's. And I didn't see the construction of this one.
Right.
But
Okay.
as far as I know, the wall is all built by all cement.
Right. Yeah, the walls are cement, but
Yeah, no hollow blocks.
normally what I say in Philippines, the lacking, because your electric bill is way up,
Yeah.
and I just discovered, well, I had known it for a long time, but in my apartment, and my apartment is about 3 times the size of this, you know, square foot.
Yeah.
So when you run the AC and you come in the afternoon, you can feel the ceiling inside. It's really
Yes,
hot.
Very hot.
No insulation up there.
I think
so.
they have an insulation because you cannot put on.
Because it helps the electric to
Yeah,
come
yeah.
down. All right, so somebody has a bicycle up in here.
Yeah.
And here is a little, could be a little baby room. And yeah, they nicely decorated it. I like the way they painted it, and
Yeah.
it gives it a little cool look. All right, look at the wall, guys. The bicycle. Yeah. They have some good interior decorators.
Very nice.
Yeah. And here's the other bedroom.
You have 3 children or 4. It's very good.
Right. Yeah. So that's nice. And then you have a little different type here with the bathroom. The shower is not behind here, so it's more like the whole way. So it's actually, you could actually, if you wanted to, you could have a bathtub in there.
Yes,
too,
sir.
you
You
know.
can have a bathtub.
Or a little jacuzzi tub or whatever you want. But they nicely put this together. And a little different sink. So it's nicely decorated. And you said 1.7 roughly?
Yes, sir.
Plus
Plus this one.
the
you can hire
the addition out here.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Do you know the cost of that or no?
$500,000 or.
$500,000 or so?
Yes, or so.
So you're talking 2.2
Yes, sir.
to have it just like this. Okay?
Yeah. You can hire another contractor, sir. It's much cheaper than if you have the same contractor.
Right, yeah, I understand that part. So
It's beautiful.
that's nice view. You can stay in there. You know, people like to see women in my videos for some reason. And I'm one of those that doesn't really want to do walking street. A lot of bloggers goes walking street. I don't want to do it. I do it. I've done it once a year, I think. And I do it in the morning when there's nothing going on. I don't like that hanky-panky. Don't like that hanky-panky.
You want to see the beer unit, sir?
Oh, yeah. We'll take a look at all of it, what you got.
This is the beer unit of thing.
Okay, so this is the bare unit of the same, but it's mirrored totally opposite. It's just turned around a little bit. Okay.
This is
So-
the standard if you build a unit.
Okay.
This is the standard unit.
So this is the standard,
Yeah.
doesn't come with cabinets and other things, so you have to add that to your thinking, and it's probably going to cost cabinets and other things. Probably you're looking at probably 150,000 or so to upgrade it. But it looks pretty much the same with the laundry room back out here, showers back in here, and then upstairs is the same. Yeah. All right. So this is the same as the other one, hon.
This one?
Yeah, it's the same, but it's just mirrored. It's just turned around, basically mirrored differently. So we can run up here and take a quick little look. So this is how they come without any decorations or anything. And here we can go in and get a view of the room. This is the master bedroom. And the views are nice. So the sales office over
So
there.
that's the gazebo.
Gazebo.
Yeah. If this project will finish, that's the gazebo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there'll be some community.
Community event or
Right. Okay. So you can rent it for that. Is there any what do you call it? HOA fees, or is there any fees for tenants here? Maintenance fee.
Maybe there is a fee.
Right.
Yeah, monthly use.
Yeah, right. Right. So yeah, for maintenance and cleanliness and all that.
There is.
Security and
But as far as today, no fee.
as of now, as of right now, yeah. And here is part of the land in the back. You can see it really good here.
The project.
Right. So that wall, and it goes all the way down
Yes, sir. That's one.
towards the end of that. All right. So that's pretty good sized land.
That's 10.32 square meters. And every piece there is open park area.
Right. Yeah, I saw I saw how they have walkways and exercise. They're going to put a gym in here also, or
Yes,
you
I don't know, sir. There is a swimming pool, but the gym, I don't know there is a gym.
Right.
Bike lane, sir, they have bike lane.
Okay.
Basketball court.
Sabi niya, iba naman sa
Swimming pool.
dito pag
Right.
pumasok ka sa city, sabi niya.
Okay. All right. So let's go.
Kumbaga, ano niya, retirement.
This one, sir.
Oh.
You want to see this one?
Yeah. Is this different?
The other one is the end. This is the standard unit, sir. This is the standard unit.
Okay. So that's the same as that, but just one single unit.
Yes, sir. That's the only single
Okay.
unit.
Yeah, we'll take a quick look at it. So this is the same as the first one, but this is not a double.
Yes,
So
sir,
this is
double.
just a
Yeah,
single.
yeah.
So let's go
This
in
is
and
the mere Calistamid.
right.
40 square meter floor area and a typical lot area of 44 square meters.
Right. Okay. Let's go inside and have a look.
Yes, sir.
Kumbaga yung mga ginawa ko kanina, i-ano lang niya sa buildings niya.
We can get an idea of what's going on here.
This is the standard unit.
Right. So, but it's pretty decent space for a smaller family. It's good.
You can have an extension over here. That's why the window is like this. You can extend over there.
Okay. So that would get rid of the laundry room, but I guess they could do laundry out here if they put a roof over it. So, all right, let's go. Should we? We don't need to go up. We'll just get the pictures. We'll just get the pictures. And this single unit here is also how much?
This one, sir, is 1.7. This
1.7.
is the standard unit, yeah.
1.7 standard. Okay.
This is the master's bedroom.
Right.
This is the other room.
Right.
This is the standard, yeah.
Right. So 2 bedrooms.
Yes, the bedroom. You can put a cabinet here.
Right.
And you can also, this one, if you want, you can also put some.
I would put temporary, not tempered glass, but three glass windows, and just maybe have them split this way so you can.
Yes, sir. So that you can open it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because these are typical what I call Florida windows in the days, and they leak a lot of air when you run air conditioning. I run air conditioning 24 hours a day.
Yes, sir.
Even when I leave the house, I run air conditioning upstairs.
Yes, sir. But this one, you can, you have a.
Yeah, you have a nice breeze.
Yeah.
Nice breeze.
And the area is very peaceful and this one.
Right. Yes, beautiful landscape out here. So they're working on the roads and what do you call it? The sewage system. Right. Okie dokie.
They have a big color.
Right. Okie dokie.
Ito yung pinaka talaga yung napunta namin lahat.
The last one unit is
Right. And that's the same as this, right?
yeah, same. The lot area is much bigger than this one.
Okay.
60.5 square meters.
60.5 square meters, and you get a little extra lot on the side. Yeah. All right. But the inside is exactly the same, right? Yeah. Yeah. Well. Yeah, we can. So. Again, okay. So this one is actually decorated too. So that'd be nice. So yeah, that's nice. And. Like the thing they did here. It looks okay. Small little decorations. Same thing in the bathroom. Nice colors. All right. So yeah, we bought some land in Samar, so
You can adjust here, sir.
huh?
It's a different place.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the master bedroom. Has a little,
Yes, sir. If you have a baby,
right.
that's ideal for us.
Yeah, so you have a walkthrough in here, you have a baby, or your wife has her makeup station. So, okay. Yeah, okay. Nice. All right, guys, that was the 2-3 other units, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you are in the market, call the agent. His name and number is posted. Actually, his name is Lito, and his phone number is posted in the description and also here on the video. So let's finish this off with the fact that we are live on Thursday and Sunday 9:15 a.m. in Philippines, and Wednesday and Saturday 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless, and we'll see you soon again. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.